Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2011 Toyota Avalon Limited. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals and puddle lamps, chrome trim, tinted glass, and much more. 17-inch 5 dual-spoke alloy wheels, all-season tires, auto HID headlamps, wide-angle fog lights, rain-sensing wipers, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 64,373 miles. The dual exhaust, LED taillights, key fob trunk release, sleek badging, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled leather bucket seats with driver memory, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a push button start, a locking glove box, a garage door opener, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation with a 6-disc CD changer, Bluetooth and Sirius XM, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.